When we do box multiplication, there is an interesting property that results from this multiplication. So if I do 25 times 13, I can decompose it into 20 plus 5 and 10 plus 3, and I get our multiplication as 200. 5 times 10 is 50, 20 times 3 is 60, and 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, and we can get the result. It works out to be, looks like 325. Now, the property that I'm going to show you is this property that when I multiply along the diagonal, here I get 200 times 15. 200 times 15 gives me 30 plus 2 zeros, or 3,000. And when I multiply across this diagonal, 50 times 60 is 3,000 as well. And in fact, what always happens in a box multiplication is, in a 2 by 2 box multiplication, the diagonal products are equivalent to each other. And this is actually quite easy to prove. If I do just generalize it as A plus B times C plus D, here I get AC, BC, AD, and BD. And when I do the diagonal products, I end up with A times B times C times D. The diagonal product this way is going to be A times B times C times D as well. We have all the letters in that diagonal product. And so what ends up happening is, doesn't matter what we have for A plus B or C plus D, the diagonal products will always be equivalent to each other.